Welcome. I'm here today to unbox my first ever Moss Safari kit produced by EduLab. So let's have a look. It's in this box. So, quick packaging. I have had a sneak peek, and inside is one of those famous grapple trays with a lid, and it's everything you need together for a Moss Safari. Now here is everything you need for 3 students or 3 pairs of students, 6 students, to have a go at Moss Safari. So I'm going to open it up, and the first thing we have is a booklet, which I'll go through in some detail in a minute. It's got all the bits and pieces you need to do the best Moss Safari you can, nice and curriculum linked to Key Stage 2 and maybe a bit to Key Stage 3 as well. There's one of the little flyers that have been going around about the Moss Safari kits. So this has been put together by EduLab, and it's got basically 3 sets of equipment. So you've got your 3 beakers. Ooh, they're lively. 3 beakers. You've got your 3 Petri dishes. You've got your 3 funnels that you can do the filtering with if you use the filter method. And you've got your specimen pots as well, that you can keep your moss samples in for a bit longer if you wish. In addition to that, you've got a plastic Pasteur pipette per one. And then you have got a box of the filter papers that you need if you're doing the filtered moss squeeze. And of course, for your microscopes, you have your 3 slides. Now these are special slides, they're the special dimple slides that make it so much easier to do a Moss Safari. You might be able to see there's a little dimple in the middle there. And also we have 100, I believe, in here of our microscope cover slips. They're the glass cover slips that you put on. So we've got plenty of the things that we use up, and you've got these that you can reuse, you can wash between, and you've got a set for each pair of children to go out and do their Moss Safari. So what will that look like? Well, this is everything you need to know as a teacher. Now, Moss Safaris are exciting because you find lots of things you're not expecting. There's lots of things you'll find in there. But the thing I like about this booklet that we've put together is that it has got teacher resources and student resources as well. So it's got a welcome, double welcome page, and then it's got a microscopic adventure and tells you all about it. Tells you the links between for your upper Key Stage 2 and your Key Stage 3 curriculum as well. It tells you the safety precautions to take, how to use a kit, how to use it in schools and clubs, and then it's got a whole set of resources. It's got the first activity, which is going on a moss hunt around your school to see if you can find some moss. And it's got some nice coloured activities, resources that can be printed. We've got some worksheets can be printed for that one, and it introduces children to the different areas of the different parts of moss. Then we go straight into actually what lives in moss, and it gives you some information as a teacher about that, and also has some wonderful resources and activities for the students to do. There are in fact 5 different things. It has all the instructions you need to do a Moss Safari, so everything's in there that you need, plus a lot of additional information that you might want as a teacher, including how to use a microscope and all the bits and pieces to fill in writing your report. The whole idea is the students are able to go on an expedition to find out the big 5 microscopic organisms. So it's all ready to go and have your microscopic adventure.